Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how you be able to install the Activepresent screen recorder. So in order to install and download, first we need a browser. So in my case, I open my Chrome browser and here in the search bar, you have to just type Activepresent download. Okay. Once you type that, just press enter button. After that, here you see the first website will appear, download Active Present. Just click on it. Once you click on it, uh, official website of Atom I system, Atomy, whatever you pronounce. Okay. The latest version of the Active Present is here. Right now, we are on the window, so we download for the window. If you are using Mac, you go with that version. Okay, for Mac, and the latest version of this one is present. So in order to download, just click on this download button. Once you download the button, click here. It is asking us where you want to download. I just select the download directory. To download the setup, just click on the save button. Once you click on it, here you see our present is downloaded. Download it done. You see it's just a 72 MB setup, and it's totally depend on the speed of your internet, how fast it will be download. Okay, so now in order to go to the downloading directory, just click on this folder icon. Once you click on it, here you see our present is downloaded. So now we see how we install it, and after the installation process done, we see how you be able to use it. Okay, now first take a look on how you be able to install it. So in order to install, just double click on it. Once you double click on it, just minimize it. It will ask you for the window permission. Just click yes. Minimize all of tabs, and here it is asking for to accept the permission. So here you have to just click on next, and after that asking where you want to install it. Okay, by default the C directory, C disk is selected. If you want to change the installation path, just click on this browse button. Once you click on it, here you change the installation path. Okay, I leave it as a default. So next you have to click on this next button, and after that just click on this. Once you click on the install button, the installation will start and it will just take a few seconds. So just wait for it. And if you are new to channel, make sure to subscribe. And if you really think the video is helpful, make sure here our installation is done, and just click on this finish button and to launch the active present. Okay, just click on the finish. Once you click on the finish, you see our also the shortcut is created and our active present is not. And in the active present right now we will see how you be able to record it, but you can do a lot of tasks, a lot of other things in the active present. Okay, but our main concern for this video is record how to record a screen. Okay. Now to record a screen, you see record screen as a video here, second one option. So in order to do that, just click on this. Okay. Once you click on this, here by default the custom selected, maybe the full screen will selected. So you here you customize it. Just right now, let's say I want to customize according to on screen area. Okay, by default the full screen area is selected. So here you see, let's say I just want to record that area. Here you also if you not want to select by dragging like that, expanding. Okay, minimizing. But if you want to give a size according to by numbers, so here you put the size here. Okay. And here you can on or off the webcam of your if you are on the laptop you use it or your virtual webcam you can on or off. And here is mic option. Let's say I had already connected my external mic, it show me external other headphone etc. If you have an internal microphone, so you can select here, change. Okay. And next is showing the volume. You can if you want to minimize or low or high volume. Okay. And next here you see a record button. So in order to record, first we take a look on the setting option, and here you see a recording setting. Just click on this, and now here you see select the frame rate. Okay. 20 30 by default 30. Okay, it will record 30, not higher than 30, so leave it at 30 is the best. And if your systems for 25, you think 25 is the best, 25 is also support is a good option. Okay. And here is a cursor one, cursor effect you want to on off, or other settings you want, if you want you can implement on according to your own need or requirements. You think that one those are you comfortable with. Okay. Next, just click on this save button, and now we want to record this. So in order to record, just click on this record button. Once you click on this record button, you see our presentation will start it. And here you see the timer will start. It will also showing us the mic and the volume. It's the, I think the volume is by default for the desktop. Okay. Now you see our recording is started, and just click on the stop recording. Once you click on the stop recording, here you see automatically our so this is for that video. Hope so you like this video, and if you really enjoy this, make sure to give the thumbs up. Okay. And also make sure to subscribe to the channel. We will meet in the next video. Stay tuned.